Guys, in this video we are going to check out exercise 3.1 question number 3. Okay, so now let's read the question. This is the last question of this exercise. Yeah, let's read it. Now, what is given? The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. So we don't know what is the cost of apple and we don't know what is the cost of grapes. So let the cost of 1 kg of apples be x and cost of 1 kg of grapes be y. Okay, now read the question to form the equation. 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes was found to be rupees 160. So how will you write this? 2 kg of apples means 2x because x is our apple value. So 2 kg means 2 times x plus y. Y is the 1 kg of grapes. We have considered y as grapes. So y is found to be rupees 160 in total. So 2x plus y is equal to 160. This is our first equation. Now we found it, but we have to find it geometrically, right? So to find that we need x and y. We need x and y. So for that, if you see here, I have taken x as 60 first. So when you find x as 60, you have to replace the 60 with x. Okay, here 2 times x. So 2 times 60 plus y is equal to 160. 2 into 60 is 120 plus y is equal to 160. Y is equal to, when you transpose this plus 120 there, it becomes minus 120. So when we subtract 160 and 120, we get 40. We get 40. So now when I consider x as 60, my y is 40. So x as 60, my y is 40. You're going to write the first. Next, I'm going to take y as 20. And when I take y as 20, you are going to just replace the 20 with the y. 2x plus y is equal to 160 is the equation. But 2x plus my y I have taken as 20. So 20 is equal to 160. Now this plus 20, when you transpose it here, it becomes minus 20. 2x is equal to 160 minus 20, you get 140. Now x, this 2 times x, this is multiplication, right? Now when you bring out this side, it becomes division. So 140 divided by 2, you get 70 as x. You get 70 as x. So when I take y as 20, my x value is 70. So it doesn't mean that you have to only find x and only find y. You can take x and find y, and you can take y and find x. Okay, now going to form the second equation. So for that, you are going to read the question again. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Same, but just the number is going to change. 4 kg of apples means 4x, right? So I've written it here, 4x. 2 kg of grapes means 2y is equal to 300. Okay, now I'm going to take x as 60 and 4 times 60 plus 2y is equal to 300. 4 times 60 is 240 plus 2y is equal to 300. Okay, now when I take x as 60, okay, I'm going to find the y. When you take 240 to this side, when you transpose it, it becomes minus 240 and 2y is equal to, when you subtract 300 and 240, you get 60. Now 2 times y, this multiplication, when you transpose it here, it becomes division. So 60 divided by 2, you get 30. So when I take x as 60, my y value is 30. My y value is 30. Now if I take y as 50, okay, 4x plus 2y is equal to 300 is the equation. Now I'm going to transpose, that is replace y with 50. 4x plus 2 into 50 is equal to 300. 4x plus 100 is equal to 300. Now 4x, this plus 100, when you transpose this side, it becomes minus 100. Okay, when you subtract 300 and 100, you get 200. Now 4 times x, when you transpose it here, it becomes division. 200 divided by 4, 50. X is 50. So when I take y as 50, my x is also 50. So this is how you have to form the two equation and find the x and y to plot it in the graph. So now let us plot this equation in the graph. Now if you see, here is my graph, and here my unit is going to be 10 centimeter because my answer I got 20, 30, 50, so all that. So I'm going to just take it as 1 unit is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, according to the question, units will change. Please see to it. Most of them lose marks by this. So yeah. First, my x value was 60. So for the first equation, so where is my 16x here? And my y is going to be 40. So 60, 40. So this is 60, 40. My second one was 70, 20. Okay, always remember x, y is the form. So 70. So you can place 70 here. Okay, 70, 20. So where is my 20? It is here. 70, 20. Okay, so now next one. So for the second equation, we found the x as 60, 30. So first I'm going to go to 60. Then 30 is going to be here. 60, 30. And next we have 50, 50. Here is my 50 and 50 we have here. Okay, now I'll plot the first equation line separately and second equation line separately, and let's find out what we got. Okay, so now if you see, I've plotted the line, I've joined the line. So we got 2x plus y line separately and 4x plus 2y line separately. So these two lines are parallel. So that's it for this question 3. It's very simple question. Thank you for watching.